Fin shot. Oh yes. Madras coffee time. Oops. So I'm finishing my dinner with some leftovers. Some berries, lots of greens, and these have a mix of vegetables and lentils and whole grain rice. I'm gonna share this with my wife and check all of those in. Today was an awesome day. Lots of NEPA, lots of activity during my volunteering. Almost like 3 to 4 hours of standing and 4 hours of non-stop running around, doing lots of lifting. It's quite an active day and a good cheat meal as well. So very happy, relaxing time with family and friends. So it was a good Sunday. I was having a video call with my family. Then it's late night, so again no Tech 90 today as well, so let's skip that. But thanks for following along, and let's see what tomorrow holds. See you tomorrow.